FC, can you invite our FC members? FC Michael,
Lusad ang daan para di na magkuhan-kuhan. Lusad.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up is
Cluster!
Is it from Cluster A?
Or Cluster B?
Or Cluster B?
Or na lang partner. So, or.
This year's first runner-up. Congratulations, Cluster A! In other words, the grand champion is Cluster B. Running the total score of 89.75.
1 point lang ang lamang.
Okay, let's have the awarding for the first runner-up. Cluster B, back off muna tayo.
Diba? Congratulations in advance. Ada option.
Let's have the awarding of Cluster A. Cluster A, please move forward.
Okay, the first runner-up is Cluster A. With an average of 88.3, together with the Barangay Captains, partner, who are those, Cluster B, Barangay Baras, Barangay Dumurog, Cluster A, Barangay Baras, Barangay Dumurog, Barangay Tawad, Barangay San Roque, Barangay Sunod Simbahan, and Barangay Guadalupe. Congratulations to the performers, and of course, thank you so much and congratulations to the Barangay Captains. And of course, the trainer nila.
Congratulations, Cluster A, for being first runner-up. The first runner-up will receive 70,000 pesos.
And the grand champion will be receiving 90,000 pesos.
And now let's have the awarding for our grand champion.
The grand champion for this year, Lina Festival Grand Award is Cluster B. Barangay.
We have Barangay Angelo,
With an average of 89.7.
Villa, Santiago, Masbaranos, Cotumbato, and Tunga.
Okay, lahat po ng kapitan ng
Trainers,
barangay.
wag po muna tayong mamalis trainers, meron po tayong certificate. Choreographers.
Okay, congratulations to the Barangay Captains. Thank you so much for your support and valued support for your barangay. Congratulations to the Barangay Captains, the performers, the trainers, sa mga school na nagpahulog ng bata, o labi na sa mga ginikanan na gitugutan nila ng anak na maka-join sa pila ka days na pag-practice. Madam, Lilas Festival, ito po kayo, Madam. Lilas Festival. May music ako. Madam, Lilas Festival po sa Santo.
Okay, now let's go to the certificate for